Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the exact audio you want on your status, because clarity saves time. Open WhatsApp and tap Status, then press the camera icon. Once done, swipe up or tap the gallery icon to load a local song or recorded clip. If your audio is in another app, prepare a short recording first. This avoids format issues. Make sure the file length fits what you want to show, and note that cropping inside WhatsApp is possible before adding text or stickers. Next, you place the audio onto the status. If you have a video with sound, select it and preview. Otherwise, record a short video while playing the song externally, or use WhatsApp's voice note then convert. Tap the sticker icon, choose the music sticker if available, or add a recorded clip from the gallery, then drag to position. Make sure to trim the start and duration so the highlight plays where you want it. Also adjust volume levels to keep voice and music balanced. Finally, preview your status to confirm audio sync and visual layout, because small misalignments are easy to miss. Add captions, stickers, and set privacy before you tap send. Once posted, verify playback from another account if possible. This catches device-specific problems. If audio fails or won't upload, convert the clip to MP4 with AAC audio, reduce bitrate or length, and retry. Most failures stem from incompatible codecs or oversized files, so fixing format usually resolves it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.